Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing today that I'm so excited about. If you're new here, welcome. We do unboxings on a regular basis, and today is one that I'm excited to do. I've been waiting to do, and I really want to get this one open and get these things listed, and you will know why in just a moment. Okay, everybody, I'm so excited. This is the Boutique by the Box PrAna New Tags unboxing. I'm so excited for this, everybody. I've been getting other things listed, but now I really want to get working on this because I've had some other new tags I've been working on. These are all brand new tags, you guys. I will share with you all the numbers at the end. And guys, I am so excited about this box. I know somebody else who got this box, and she is already selling some of her pieces. Again, this is PrAna New with Tags. And so we're going to dive into this. I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is quite a few pieces. I think I got 2 boxes. I will note to you at the very end, again, the quantity and what I paid for this box. But if I recall, the comp was around like 9 something, roughly 950, somewhere in there. Again, I'll let you know the numbers at the end. These are all brand new tags. Let's dive in. I'm so anxious to open this box, y'all. It's been sitting here for a little bit, and now it's time to see what we have. Okay, everybody, if y'all know, PrAna is a great brand, and New Tags is just even better. I'm not going to tell you it's PrAna throughout the whole thing. You already know it's PrAna. So this is a jeans, a size 6, straight, or skinny, sorry. These are skinny. And it is size 6 with a 28-inch inseam. These are some nice light colored denim. I am so excited to get all these listed, y'all. Okay. We've got a lot to get through here. Super exciting. Okay, these are a size 2. Inseam is 28. These are the Court Ombre Jambre. I love the coloring on these. That's the front. They do have a button closure, and this is the back. It's got some neat little detail up here. On there, I don't know if that means you can shorten them. But anywho, these look like they're outdoor work pants. So very cool. Now, some of these might be duplicates. I'm not sure. Some of them actually have like a twisty tie around them. And if I do end up having duplicates, then we won't worry about undoing those. But you know what? Honestly, I'm going to have to do that anyway with some of these just to do pictures. I hate to do that, but it is what it is. Okay, these, the Cohen pant, size regular. Okay. And this is a size medium with a regular inseam. These are like nice hiking pants. Very nice fabric. So there's those. Okay, those might be the same. Yep, Cohen pant, that's the same thing, so I'm not going to undo those. These are also a size medium, so same thing as the one I just showed you. And there's so much here, I got to figure out where to go here. Okay, Mariel jogging. Mariel jegging. These are an extra small. Oh my gosh, these are so cool that they're new. There is the thing back there. They have side pockets. So these are a cargo. They do have the front pockets. It's got a back pocket. Very cool piece. Front zip pockets as well. I might even go ahead and just roll some of those up after I do pictures. Of course, as soon as I start doing one of these, it's either my throat starts goofing or my nail starts goofing. Okay, so these both are the same, so I'm just going to do one of these. And one's a size 12 and one's a size 14. I'm going to undo the 12 so you can see the 12. These are Haley straight short inseam. Let me show you the tag so y'all can see. And there is the front and the back. I'm going to start working on getting these listed tomorrow. I've tweaked and changed a few more things, y'all. I'm just super excited about where things are going for me. I'll probably share with you all some of that in this week's Sleep Chat. I've been doing a ton of research, you guys. Watching different channels, tweaking and changing some things. I'm just really excited about where I'm going with some stuff. Okay, these are, I think, the same thing. Yep, Cozy Up ankle pant. This is the size small. This is the size large. So I'm just going to open up one of them. These are camo. Okay, sustainable quality. There's the tag. I love these pants. Look at these camo pants, y'all. Those look so comfy. Oh my goodness. So cool. Okay, so there's those two. And then it looks like we have maybe a sports bra. This is the Lena Brammy. The nice thing about this is all the information is on the tag. And I'll literally just be inputting that into the listing and running with it. Yeah, very cool. This is a size medium. If you all see anything that you like in here, give me at least a week. I am going to be listing these as soon as possible. But yeah, just give me a week, maybe a week and a half, to get everything up and going. It probably won't even take me a week. Okay, these are the O'Day jean, and these are a standard size, it's all cut, size 8, waist 29. Let me show you the jeans. Yeah, so there's that, and they will go on eBay first, and then I do cross post to Mercari and Poshmark. Okay, some of these that look similar, I'm going to double check. Okay, so this one is the Haley pant, and one of these is a tall inseam, and one of these is a short inseam. So I'm just going to open one of them. Oops. If this box comes available again, I've already seen how somebody else on YouTube bought this box, and she's already selling pieces. If this box comes available, more than likely, I will probably get it again. So there's that one again. This one is the Haley pant. This was a short inseam, size 10. And these are a gray. Okay, so there's those. We have another Cozy Up ankle pant, same thing, size large. We just saw those, so I'm not going to open those. Okay, ankle pant, regular inseam. This one's a little bit different, so I'll open this one. Yeah, see, these are a lot the same. They're just, this one's a size 0 with a regular inseam of 32. Okay. All right, what else do we have here? These look similar. Let's see what we've got. Cohen pant and a Cohen short. Okay. See if there's any other that look like that. Okay, this is the pant. Oh, okay, so yeah, this is one I already opened. So this is a size medium. This retails for $89. I haven't been telling you what they retail for. This one retails for $89. Okay, and then this one is the same thing, but a short. This is a size, it's falling out of the thing already. This one is a size small. Same thing as the Cohen pant, but these are shorts. Okay, we have a couple of these here. They look the same. These are tank tops. Yeah, tank tops. So this is called the Foundation Scoop Neck Tank. And I have this here. This one is a size medium. And then I have another one here that is also a size medium. So I'm not going to open that one up. Okay, and then we have another one of the Haley Straight Regular Inseam size 14. We've already opened one of these. Okay. It's almost hard to tell what's been duplicated or not. Okay, this is the O'Day Jean Regular Inseam. This one's a size 4. Size 4, 27-inch inseam. This one's black. So very cool, you guys. I'm so excited to list these. This is a nice color. This is the Haley Straight Short Inseam, but this color is blue. So the Haley Straight, the regular pants that are just straight, this is a blue color. Really pretty. Again, those retail for $89. This is the same Haley pant short inseam size 12, only a coastal gray. This one's a size 12. Okay, Cohen pant regular. So the same thing that I showed you earlier. It's kind of hard to, they're kind of similar, aren't they? This one has the zipper and the other ones have the buttons. Okay, that's the difference. This is the Cohen pant that has the zipper, and then the Haley pant has the buttons. Okay, some more of the cozy ankle sweatpants that are camouflage. Okay, then it looks like they're more of the shorts. Okay, this is a Cohen capri. So this is the crop one. It's a capri that has cargo on the sides. Is this a capri too? Okay, this is a Cohen pant regular. Also, this is a black size medium. Same thing that we've already seen. Again, like I said, there's just varying of some of them. Cohen pant tall inseam. It's nice to have size tall. This one's a cold size 4, but this is a size tall with the back of buttons. You see the buttons here. You can tell if it's buttons in the back because it's got buttons on the side, on the front there for the zip, for the button closure. Okay, it looks like we have some more of the regular pants. This one's black size medium, so the pants with the zippers on the side. Okay, so there's those. And then again, the Haley pant with the buttons and the back closure. This one is a coal. This one is a size 16. Good sizes, size 16, y'all. And then we got some more of the camouflage, the ankle pant. Both ankle pant, yep, size small and size large. These both retail for $89. Same thing that we've talked about just a minute ago, but just different sizing. Okay, the Haley pant again. Regular inseam. This one is a dark khaki. This is a size 0 with the buttons, so it's got the button back pockets. And these might be shorts. Okay, this is the capri. So the capri that I just showed you, that one. But this is a grape leaf color. And this is a size small. These capris retail for $79. I'm missing it. Oh, okay. A few more. Whoops. Okay, is this one the Cohen regular pants? So with the zippers. This was a size medium, black. So the two pants that we've had so far, one's got the button front closure with the back has pockets with the buttons. And one's a front zipper pockets in the front, pull up with the pockets in the back. So those are the two different pants that we have. Another capri Cohen with the green leaf. This one is a size small. So good variety in sizing, you guys. Okay, here's another with the button up. So this one is the Haley Straight Short Inseam Earthbound Color, size 12. Another great size. Another sports bra. Lena Brammy, size medium. This is the black camo again, the one we just saw with the V neckline. And then 2 pieces left. Again, another Haley Cole with the front buttons, size 4. So some really good varying sizes, y'all. And then this one, okay, this one is a little bit different, so I'm going to pull it out and show you this one. This is a bralette. Okay. So there's that one. Just a basic gray. And this one is a size large. It's a heather gray. Nice back with the racer back. Okay, so let me count how many pieces we have. Okay, so I was right. I got 2 boxes, and there was 20 in each box, so that's 40 pieces. Again, this is a boutique by the box, new with tags, PrAna, men's and women's. It's like an outerwear group of, you know, hiking and different sorts of things, box that they came out with that I grabbed. I will note over here for y'all all of the numbers and everything. I'm super excited, like I said, to get this going. This will be listing this next week. I am in the process, as y'all know, of doing the 20 items a day. So right now I'm finishing up the new with tags, some new with tags. There's another video coming out you guys don't know about yet. It is coming. I'm finishing that box, and I'm working on athletic wear right now, and then combining that with some kids and with these. So as soon as I finish that box, I'll start working on this tomorrow, and just do my 20 listings. And I'm going to really work hard the next couple months to vamp my listings up to maybe even like 25, maybe someday 30s. And I'll share with you on my weekly chat this week some changes that I've made. Super excited to hear how you guys are doing. And y'all, I will see you. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We will be doing a 90-day update on this box. I forgot to mention that. There will be 90-day updates on all my unboxings now, okay? I am still on Whatnot, but I'm not doing auctions right now. I'm kind of doing a different thing. And if you saw in my other my reseller chat last week, you explained what I'm doing on Whatnot right now. But all these will be going live on my different platforms, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. So we will be doing a 90-day update on these. Also, if you enjoy seeing unboxings, what's sold, thrift hauls, changes, the reseller chat is going great. I'm super excited about the great comments that I'm getting. You know, I really love that, because I had somebody even comment last week about something that we talked about in the reseller chat, and I really loved her perspective. And sometimes when I hear you guys' perspective, it makes me think, okay, and change some things. So thank you so much for y'all for commenting down below about things, even in the reseller chat. I'm really enjoying your content. It makes me rethink things. It makes me, okay, how can I be doing things better? Sometimes you dramatize things, or you could be doing better at something. I just really love y'all's feedback, so thank you. Keep them coming. I so appreciate it. I love learning from y'all. So guys, we will see you in the next one. Please do like and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if PrAna was a blessing to you. We'll see you in the next video, you guys.